Hello, my name is Aditya, and in this video I would like to walk through my project, a responsive website that I have built with HTML5 and CSS. I will show you the code structure and I will show you my website on different resolution. So let's start. So this is my code. Let's start by looking at the code. Here we have an index.html file which contains the basic structure of the web page. It has several sections like header section and this footer section. So within the header section, I put a navigation tab which contains our home, about, and sign up button. And like I also added some buttons in section 1 so that I can draw some attention. I added one more button here, sign up button. So now let's move to the CSS, style.css. So this was the basic layout that was given to us, and I defined this route selector for easy color management and consistency throughout the website. Within this body, I set the background color to a dark color so that people can read the website more easily. We have a main nav class that this styles the navigation bar, and this main nav ULLIA, this helps us to like modify those buttons: home, sign up, about. So and all those buttons have various background colors, and I also tried to make those buttons like hover when I put my arrow on them. So this is my CSS. Now let's move on to the responsive.css. This responsive.css file was just made so that I can like optimize the website for 400 pixels. So I have tried to optimize the website as much as possible. This media screen and max width 400 pixel query ensures that the layout adapts for smaller devices. For example, I changed the section to class to a column layout to make the content fit better on narrow screens. In the responsive CSS, I made sure the buttons and input fields are adjusted properly, such as setting positions, margin, and width to prevent elements from overlapping. I also adjusted the padding. As you can see, I adjusted the paddings to make the column layout so that the website can be user friendly. Now, as I have shown you all these three codes, let me show you my website and how does it looks. This is how my website look. I think it looks pretty accurate to what we were provided in the resources folder or the references folder. This is how it looks in a normal 160 pixel, and now I will demonstrate you how it looks at 400 pixel. See, as you can see, my website adapted itself to 400 pixel and there is no overlapping, and the text is wrapped, or you can say the text adjusted itself and there is no kind of overlapping. So yeah, now the challenges I faced while making this website was to make it responsive for smaller devices like the 400 pixel. I had to figure out the padding and like the flex and everything, and I had to make sure that the text doesn't overlap and the buttons don't overlap each other. I had to experiment with flex, padding, and width properties to find the perfect balance, and Yeah, that's all. The conclusion to wrap up this project. It has been a good exercise for me to learn about this web programming. Before this website, I did not had a lot of idea how HTML and CSS works, and now it's been really interesting journey. And now I would like to learn JavaScript as well and try to present it in my website. Thank you.